Alright you guys, and let's get into this video. So I use my ABH brows in medium brown, and I also use my Beauty Bakery brownie gel pomade in brown to do a few hair-like strokes. So I just use mainly the brow wiz for like the entire brow, you know, shaping it and filling it in lightly because I was going to go in with the pomade after. So that's what I do for brow. Alright, so now I'm using the previous base. I'm using the shade 2, and I'm going to use just shade 2 under the brow to clean up the brow a little bit, make it a lot more cleaner. And then you guys are going to see that I'm going to go in with a new shade, and this is shade 0. This is like the pure white out of all the previous bases. I just got this in, and I wanted to use it for like the really bright, vibrant colors. So I use that pretty much on my mobile lid. Okay, so we went and used the James Charles palette that he did with Morphe, the Unleash and the Artist palette. I decided to give it another try and play with the colors, because the first time I played with the colors, it just was not. It was not at all working. Even like with the P. Louise base, it just wasn't working. But this time, it did exactly what I needed to do, and I did enjoy using this palette. So I took in the blue shade first, and I pretty much just put that color in the center. Then you guys are going to see me take the purple shade in the palette, the dark purple shade in the palette, and I go ahead and I buff that into the outer corner, as you guys see from the other side. So I use that mainly on the outer corner, and just trying to keep a more rounded shape. I didn't want to angle it out too much. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just doing circular motions, blending the two shapes together. I'm not really focusing much on blending because I end up doing that later. And then the next is going to be the green. So I mixed the lime green and that dark green together just to get the perfect shade of green that I wanted, and I go ahead and put that in the inner core. Now you guys, I'm just going to let you know now, the entire clip of me applying the glitter and like the foundation and concealer and all that stuff just did not happen. I did not even know that I wasn't recording when I was doing that entire part. So you guys will not see me do my face in this video, and you guys are not going to see me apply the glitter, but everything else you'll see me do. So yeah, I just go back and forth with the colors as I always do, and you know, make sure the intensity is there. So I cut my crease, and then I'm going to use the Color Pop, I think it's called Chasing Rainbows palette. Yeah, there you go, Chasing Rainbows palette, and I just used that shade there to apply on the lid first. I was so out of focus when I was doing this. So I used that, and then you see I was like really upset. And then once I did that, I did the glitter. Now, just so you guys know, for the liner part, for the waterline, I didn't use a liner. I actually used the P. Louise base OTT orange. It's the orange from the Basic Brights collection. And then I just set it in place with the orange from the James Charles palette, and then I went in with the same colors, and then everything for the face I'll have down below for you guys. So yeah, at this point I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video because everything else is self-explanatory. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little video. I'm back to the fun creative looks because I just enjoy it so much, so I hope you guys do too. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next